When it comes to changing your oil, do not wait for the manufacturer's intervals, the little lights that come on the dashboard, because here's the thing. Car makers want us to have big, long service intervals, 20,000 miles sometimes. It is an act of absolute cruelty to subject something as complicated as this to 20,000 miles strobing up and down the motorways on the same sump of oil and filter. That will just ruin your engine. And the car manufacturers do this because it keeps the cost of ownership down, cost per mile for those first owners. But they ignore people like us, second, third, fourth owners. So my rule is change your oil every 5,000 to 7,000 miles and your filter, and you can get it done at any of these fast fit centers, and it might cost you 50, 75 quid. That, people, is a raindrop echoing in an ocean compared to what it will cost to rebuild or replace this because you've gone too long on the same sump of oil. That's Wilson's tip, and it's very important. And I've never had an engine catastrophe in my life. So remember, if in any doubt, as my grandmother says, there is always a YouTube tutorial on everything. Put your registration number in, or say oil change or checking my oil, and it will come up. Hundreds of them will come up, and you can watch them and learn all about this. These days, there is no reason not to be informed. It really is easy.